오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I will cook fried rice, egg fried rice. Do you know this is very simple and then also full of nutrients. You know this we are very much, if suddenly you have visitors at home and you can make immediately this egg fried rice. You know they will be very happy. You know this we need this very simple. Also every house, every country has this egg. You know, so I will introduce the ingredients: green onion and egg and rice and cooking oil and salt. Very simple. You can make any time. You know, if your friends visit your home, you can cook easily. Very nice. Also very good for health. First, we put the rice in the bowl, and we put this egg. And we mix. Looks very nice. Maybe we put a little bit salt. Okay, ready. Okay, let's start to make. First put the cooking oil. And this when this oil little bit boiled, then we put this green onion. Cut it. Okay, put the rice. Very delicious smell already. Very nice. Fantastic. Nice. Ooh. Very nice. Ready? We put here. Ready! This is egg fried rice, and this is Korean kimchi. Korean kimchi is radish kimchi. You know Korean name. This is mu kimchi. Wow, looks so delicious. I love it, this one. Very nice. Ooh, very nice. Very fresh. Very fresh. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.